Do you wish Google had a product similar to Excel? Well, you're in luck because they do. If you're in your Drive, click on New and go to Google Sheets. This is going to bring up a spreadsheet that's similar to Excel. On the top left, you can name your spreadsheet, and then you can start filling in your spreadsheet however you desire. You have your File, Edit, View, Insert tools across the top. You have all of your formatting bar across the top as well. You can insert grid lines and borders if you need. You can fill your cells with the paint bucket. You can change your text color with the A with the line under it, font sizes and font types. To change the formatting of your columns, you can go to Format and Number, and this gives you all of the different number options. And you can click More Formats, and that'll give you the different formats that you might need. You can do conditional formatting under Format, and that'll allow you to put in different rules that you might want for conditional formatting. When you're in a cell, if you go under Insert a function, that's where all of your formulas are going to be, and you can pick which function you want, or you can just hit equals and type in your function here, and that will allow you to put in your formula just like you can in Excel. And that, briefly, is Google Sheets.